Good morning to all of you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, we explain some portions from the nationalism in Europe. What are the factors? What are the ideology those lead to the national formation in different part of Europe? In this small video, I give a small idea about economic hardships and revolutions in Europe. What do you mean by economic hardship in Europe? Okay, in 1830 is the main important year in European history which lead to the economic hardship. Economic hardship means a lot of economic problems. A lot of economic problems that stimulated the people in Europe into a revolution that we called economic hardship in Europe. Okay, economic hardship means economic problems or economic worries or troubles that leads to the economic problems in almost all the countries in Europe. Let us discuss about the factors for the economic hardship. Several factors worked for the economic problems or economic worries in different parts of Europe. Okay, economic problem that will affect almost all the people in Europe. So that leads to the revolutions of Europe. The first one is that overpopulation. The population increased. Then another side, the shortage of food, shelter and sufficient wages may leads to the problems of the economic hardship. Okay, overpopulation means the population increased. So there is no sufficient resources and sufficient facilities to given the people in all over the Europe that we called overpopulation. So overpopulation is the main important one factor for the economic hardship. Okay. The second one is that migration of the people from village to cities. Why the people migrated in Europe? Why the people migrated from village to cities? Yes, unemployment is the main important problem in village side. So several people they migrated from village area to the cities in searching job or in searching the daily wage textbook. Several people searched jobs rather than employment. Several people searched jobs. Job means a daily wage work. Employment means monthly salary. So several people migrated for these purposes. Okay. Several people migrated from village to cities. What happened? The village, the town become overcrowded slum. You know slum is very busy and a rushy region. Okay, slum. Several people from village side when they moved to the city or town area, what will happen is that the city area become the crowded slums. A number of the people they reached in the town area. The town become very busy street and it become overcrowded slums with the poor people. Okay, that is the another important factor. So the next one is that small producers, that means by hand producers, they faced stiff competition with the machine-made product. One side, a number of the machine-made product is there. Another side is handy-made product is there. So poor handy-made product and their product is very huge amount, but machine-made product is cheap in the market. So handmade producers that we called small producers, they faced stiff competition with the machine made product. So the people always busy to buy the machine made product. So the small producers, and they always lost their life, their lively earning. So that leads to the another problem, another factor for the economic hardship in Europe. Okay, so that is the another one. Small producers faced stiff competition with the machine made products. Okay, this is the another important factor. But even though 1813 is the economic hardship, but aristocrats society, that means wealthy society, enjoy more privileges. They have no problem. They enjoy several enjoyment and privileges. But the peasants struggled against feudal dues and obligation. The peasants, that means the farmers, they are very poor. They exploited by the feudal lords with the dues and obligation. So they were fully suppressed by the feudal lords and the landlords, and with the feudal dues and obligation. So they were restricted by feudal dues and obligation. So and always the aristocratic society enjoy more privileges. On the other side, for peasants always they faced their lively earning, so that also leads to the economic hardship. Okay, so these are the main important factors or main important impact of the economic hardship in 1830s in Europe. Okay, so these points we have to note that overpopulation, overcrowded slums, and migrations, and aristocratic society enjoy, the peasants face the problems. Okay, the next topic is the revolution in 1848. And the first revolution took place in France against Louis Philippe. Okay, Louis Philippe is the ruler. Against this, the abdication of the monarchy in France, it fell into the republic. That is the main important one. So the France faced the abdication of the monarchy into republic, that spread into the Germany, Poland, Italy, Austro-Hungarian Empire. Liberal-minded men and women and fought for their own rights, their own other importances. So here the picture in France revolution. Then next one is that Italy, then next Germany. Okay, and in Burma the people mainly fought for a constitution with a national unity, universal suffrage, and freedom of press. These are the main important demands of the aristocratic society, and the revolution took for these purposes. Okay.